Hello everyone, I'm Sanya Jain and today I'm going to present before you a detailed overview of our project which would be created by me and my teammate Rhythm Jain, and it is a core subject of our MTech IT syllabus which would be held under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. This project is headed as Crypto Prognostic. So let's get started. Basically, the introduction says the Crypto Prognostic is a website and it's designing and developing. It is basically a cryptocurrency website which will include various other features such as prediction of cryptocurrencies, its searching, its creating, etc. The project objective. The main objective of this project creation is basically to learn new techs and tools. This would not only help us to learn new skills, but it will also allow us to contribute towards the most trendy investments these days, that is the cryptocurrency. It would also help us to know how a particular real world application is built, and this project lent us a path to explore and learn new things under the best guidance by our sir. What is crypto prognostic? Crypto prognostic stands for prediction of cryptocurrencies. This implies that crypto prognostic is all about a website which will give you a complete guidance of the crypto market. How to invest, why to invest, when to invest, what is the trending news, search of the relevant coins, etc. etc. All would be covered under crypto prognostic. The setup of the project. This project which basically cover major two section of IT field. The first one is the user interface part, the front end and the back end held by web development tech, and the prediction part would be held by machine learning based technologies. Now the further discussion and the features, tools and tech used would be discussed by my teammate Rhythm Jain.
Hey, I am Rhythm Jain and without a delay, let's continue. So let's talk about some features of crypto prognostic. First of all, our website will contain various sections like prediction section where user can predict which currency one should buy and when. Next is news section having recent updates, tweets, etc. It will have dark mode, dashboard, price display of cryptocurrencies for sure, search and creation section in order to create your own cryptocurrency. This list may get longer as we proceed in our project. Now, after features, let's talk about technologies we are using to build this project. We will be using React or Vue.js for frontend, Python and basic machine learning for prediction of cryptocurrency, Node or Django as backend, API call, etc. There are some tools making our work easy. Google Chrome for sure, Visual Studio Code Editor, Postman, Git, GitHub, etc. This is our working model. As you can see, there will be price display section and website dashboard. Then there is a section for creating your own cryptocurrency, a section for prediction of the trend of cryptocurrency, a section of news and updates regarding crypto market. This can also change as development proceed. Now, the important thing application of this website. As we all know, cryptocurrency is the future of our world. Transaction of crypto are fast, digital, secure and worldwide, which also allow the maintenance of records without risk of data piracy. And this website will help you to know about cryptocurrency with the help of graphs, data, daily rates, news trends, etc. etc. Crypto is changing our future and we are helping to adapt these changes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir for your guidance. Thank you everyone.